What is up? It is Chris Colgan, the world's worst sneaker reviewer. Today we got a shoe that I am actually feeling. What do those guys from the Insane Cloud Posse say? They go, whoop, whoop, because we are up from the 36 chambers with the Wu-Tang Clan style Jordan 1s. Cue my f***ing badass intro. Yo, these are it right here. August 7th, the date got moved up. Price point $170. These are the shoes right here. I had an early pair. We will show you those as well in the clips. That my dog, if you can believe it, yes, they're 100% legit for all you little hater boys that jump on and say, you wees, from your mom's basement as I'm hitting that ass. But you know what? These right here, Bruce Lee style, we come kick your ass in these shoes. These are badass right here. We'll show you some clips of my tore up shoes as well. Yo, the yellow laces look fire. The black laces look fire. This is how you make a Jordan 1. This is how you make a sneaker. I know they're like the Iowa Dunks, whatever. Everybody kept commenting on my Instagram. We made all kinds of different videos, pictures. Early, I was like the first person to post these. Check me out on Instagram at Chris Colgan. You know I am the world's worst sneaker reviewer, but here's the deal with these. My boy Jordan from Leak Sneaks got me a pair of these. You can check him out, Leak Sneaks on Instagram. I don't even know how he got them, but these things are fire. They're not my size, otherwise I'd go around wearing them already. But as soon as these box pairs come out, like of this or the Jordan 4 Lightning, they are definitely going to be fire. Again, they drop August 8th. We're showing you mad clips as I talk here. I know you guys love your things, but you know how we do it. We don't sit here and just mess around and bore you to death. These are the shoes to get of the year so far, Jordan 1 wise. Definitely keep your eye out, save your money up, get these bad boys. The quality on them is perfect. Look at that. Can't believe it, man. Hold on a second. I feel like I'm about to cry for a second. I know how some of these sneaker resellers especially are very sensitive. When I make fun of them, they're like, hold on. And I know how some of you guys are very sensitive about my videos and all that, but that's okay. You know what? We don't get paid for this. We have no sponsors, as you know. We're looking for one. I mean, I even asked the freaking tire shop down the street if they would sponsor one of my videos, and they said no. So, hey, you know what? Air Jordan 1 Pollens, definitely do me a favor though. Subscribe to my channel. Like this video if you are a real sneaker person who is sick and tired of all this boring ass shit. Or people just, I can't take it. I got yelled at by somebody the other day because I was making fun of other people. And I'm like, dude, you know what? It's sneakers, okay? We're not out here saving lives and curing COVID and cancer. So here you go, guys. Buy these shoes. Early look, early preview. Your boy had them first, as always. See you at the top or from the top following me on Instagram at Chris Colgan. Oh, by the way, here's my thing, all right? I'm gonna give these a rating as I always give a rating. The quality on these are hot. The yellow laces look good. The black laces look good. Rating, I'm gonna give them an A- because for me to give an A+ is very, very hard. A-, Bobby threw up a really cool A- graphic, really over the top. A-, go buy these shoes, save your money, save your grandma's checks. Peace.